Is LibreOffice crashing while you're working on a document, spreadsheet, or presentation? Frequent crashes can be caused by extensions, corrupted settings, outdated software, or even a specific file. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to troubleshoot and fix LibreOffice crashing in 2026. So let's get started. First, close LibreOffice completely and launch it again. If the application is frozen, open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Escape, then end any LibreOffice processes that are still running. After that, restart your computer and test LibreOffice again. A simple restart can clear temporary processes that may be causing conflicts. Next, check your LibreOffice extensions. An incompatible or outdated extension can sometimes cause crashes, especially after a software update. Open the Extension Manager and temporarily disable extensions you don't need. Then restart LibreOffice and see if the crashing continues. Before doing this, remember that customized settings and extensions may be affected, so only reset the profile if you're comfortable restoring your preferences afterward. If the crashes continue, check whether LibreOffice is up to date. Older versions can contain bugs that have already been fixed in newer releases. If updating doesn't help, reinstall LibreOffice using a current installer from the official LibreOffice website. Finally, create a new blank document and test LibreOffice before opening your original files. If the application only crashes with one particular document, that file could be damaged or contain problematic content. So test your files individually and, whenever possible, work from a backup or a copy of the original document. And that's how to fix LibreOffice crashing. Restart LibreOffice and your computer, disable extensions, try safe mode, reset the user profile if necessary, update or reinstall the software, and test individual documents. Checking each possible cause one step at a time can make it much easier to find the problem and get LibreOffice running reliably again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.